Welcome to this video tutorial on how to install Stable Diffusion, a powerful AI system that generates high-quality images from text descriptions. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the installation process so that you can start using Stable Diffusion on your own computer. To run Stable Diffusion on a PC, you will need a GPU with a minimum of 4 GB VRAM. You will need approximately 10 GB of storage capacity. By meeting these hardware requirements, you can run Stable Diffusion on your PC smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Python 3.10.6. Click on the first link that appears. Scroll down to find the 64-bit Windows installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and install Python on your computer. Next, go back to your browser and search Git for Windows. Open the first link and click on the download button. Once the download is complete, install Git on your computer. After the installation is complete, launch Git and minimize it. Now, create a folder for Stable Diffusion and copy its source code. Open Git and type cd, followed by the location of the folder you just created. This will allow you to navigate to the folder using Git. Next, go back to your browser and search for GitHub Automatic 1111. Open the first link and you'll see a green button with the word code on it. Click on it and copy the code. Open Git and type git clone, followed by the code you just copied. Go back to your browser and search for Hugging Face. Open the first link and type Stable Diffusion in the search bar. Choose the version you want and scroll down to see two options, one with a file size of 7 GB and the other with 4 GB. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll go with the smaller one. Click on it and the download will begin. Once the download is complete, open the download folder and move the file to the Stable Diffusion folder. Open the Stable Diffusion folder and navigate to Stable Diffusion webui, then Models, and Stable Diffusion. Paste the downloaded file here. Now go back to the Stable Diffusion folder and look for webui user.bat. Double-click on it to start installing Stable Diffusion on your computer. It may take a while to install, depending on your internet connection and hardware specifications. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a server link. Copy the link and paste it into your browser, then hit enter. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Stable Diffusion on your computer. That's it. Those were the steps to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. If you have any questions or other solutions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.